the way down that valley.
Let's go right here.
There.
This is good.
Right there.
Let's get at least a couple minutes.
Wow. Glad we went for it. Yeah.
Gotta get past this tree.
Yes.
There we go.
Large ledge. Wow.
Watch out behind us.
You're good.
Dude, that came out of such a weak looking storm too. We're gonna get really close to this. Should we go south?
No, we're good right here. You can turn around if you want.
Oh, that's coming right here, Max.
Yeah, flip her around.
That's
But don't
right here.
flip around, but don't go yet.
I think it's gonna go just north of us.
Over right. No one behind us.
Oh, behind us? Okay. Let's flip around. Like you said, if we want to flip around but not go yet, so it's literally the whole few minutes.
Yeah,
This is
I agree.
Oh, look at it hurling stuff right there.
it out. What do you think? Good?
It's coming right for us.
Tornado on the ground. Right for us. There's debris.
Yeah, we need to go south. We gotta go now.
Hold it for just a minute. Hold it.
Sitting that tree.
Yeah.
That's expanding a little bit. Let's go. Let's go.
And yeah. Go ahead and stop right here. Stop right here. For just a sec. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wow.
Adrian, you getting that?
I'm getting there.
Hey, no, hit record. You're not recording. There you go.
Oh my God. We're good right here.
No, hit it again. Record.
Adrian, you have to hit it so it hits. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that thing. Oh my God. Stopping. Oh my God. absolutely incredible. Oh my good God.
Wow. Tornadoes with friends. That was awesome. That's Tornadoes with friends. Yes. Wow. Holy shit. Look at that violent motion still down there.
We freaking went through that power line.
Oh, I know.
I stopped and I was like, screw it, we're not gonna lose it.
Looks like it's up.
Might need to get a little closer now. Does that road eventually curve back north?
I think so.
Oh, it's
This thing's
roping out
done though.
Yeah, true.
Wow. Shut up, windshield. Wow, look at that. Kevin! Wow. Look at the little drobit out in the field there.
Right?
I don't know. Lucio was up. I was playing tag with Lucio earlier.
Oh yeah?
I don't know who else I saw.
I got all of that.
Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Shit.
Wow. Wow. Are we in Nebraska or Colorado? Where are we? Where am I? Wyoming?
Oh my god.
Are we in Wyoming? Like, where are we? I don't even know. I posted a photo of like, I don't know where the hell I am. Look at that.
We're like right on the border.
Nice. So I likely saw a Colorado and a Wyoming tornado today. Nice.
All right. We have a new mezzo back over here.
Big dusty tornado. It's weak, it's not very strong, but that's legit. Down power lines.
Whoa, big ass hail.
Oh my gosh. Caroline's hold. Whoa! That guy just went through it. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god.
it goes. Wow.
Looks like it's gonna be pushed off by the cloud. Nope, here it comes down to the ground.
There she is.
Yep.
There's two of them. No, I guess that was it just roped out. Oh my God.
Let's go get a little closer. All right, we're gonna go get a little bit closer, and then we'll turn back around.
Wow. We're close enough right here. You're my crybaby. I'm a crybaby.
It's okay, Gary.
Crybaby.
It's okay, Gary. I still love you.
Hey, we get to eat steak tonight if we can find a
Oh.
steakhouse.
Hell yes, we do. Oh my God.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
We gotta stop, man. We gotta shoot that.
We will. Just gonna get around this bend, then we'll stop. Get out of the way of these power lines, you know?
Yeah, we could have another one dropping right down on top of us too.
Okay, after this bend, we'll stop, and then we'll turn around, okay?
Turn the car around the other way. Get us stuck.
We're good?
Oh my God.
Damn cars.
Oh my God. Stunning.
Oh, wow. That's my phone. Right there, right there.
We ain't got nobody coming this way. Oh my God. Alright, it's getting close. We need to turn around here soon. We're good right now. We're good right now.
No, we need to go, Max.
No, we don't.
Come on, man, that's nothing to benefit my safety.
Oh my God.
Alright, we're turning around. No, dude, we're good. I promise you. I know it's scary. It's a little close, but we're good.
Well, we got all these other cars too.
No, we'll be fine.
Oh my God.
You know, it's gonna cross right up here.
Yeah, I'd like to get a little further back.
Alright, 10 seconds. Let it cross the road. Oh, it's hurling stuff. Shoot. Alright, now we go. Time to go.
that wedge I was looking for, man.
All right, you see it? It's up there.
Yep,
You got a ways.
I do. 1.5 miles.
And then you're gonna go west right to that fucking thing.
Yep, yep.
I'm glad we went west.
New area starting to form on the right.
Yep. New tornado. All right, take.
Yep.
2 tornadoes.
Wow.
Let's go back.
Flip around?
Flip around. Yeah, it's right over there.
There it is. I see the right-hand edge of it.
Yep.
The big wedge. All right, you can see the left side over here.
Oh, it's like right there. All right, we got time, right? Oh my God. Oh, it's right there, bro.
You want me to stop?
Holy shit.
You want me to stop or go?
We should probably
Follow
stop.
it? Yeah.
We should probably stop. Did you see that
Yeah, okay.
power line just go down? Keep with it, keep with it. We're good, right?
Big.
Oh, it's right there, bro.
You want me to stop?
Holy shit.
You want me to stop or go?
We should probably
Follow
stop.
it? Yeah.
We should probably stop. Did you see that
Yeah, okay.
power line just go down? Keep with it, keep with it. We're good, right?
Big.
Look at that
We're
thing.
gonna inch up.
Look at that thing. Oh my God. Yeah, you can still keep inching.
I just don't want to lose
Oh,
it.
power line's going down.
Yep. It's like battle, dude.
Literally.
All right, I'm inching up.
Yep. It's crossing the road right in front of us.
That is a wedge. It takes a lot to drop my jaw.
Consider me thoroughly impressed. So we can come in right behind it and maybe go east somewhere.
That's what I'm thinking.
Wow, you can just smell the earth and the manure that is just dripping into the sky right now.
What a wedge. Oh my God. Not gonna have an exit for a while. We're gonna lose it. Yeah. But we can go east.
You want to stop right here?
No, keep going.
Oh, I see. Okay, sorry.
I mean, yeah,
Yeah, it's gonna try and condense right there, I think. Yeah, there it goes. There we go.
Oh, at the canyon, baby? Hell yeah. Oh, look at that. Can we go where we have a better view, please?
Yep, that's there's not much. We're getting
Yep.
into the canyon land.
Oh, it just lifted something. Woo! Something just got lofted.
Oh,
Not
no,
good, not
yeah,
good.
That's not good. Big
Wow, look at it with the
tornado.
canyon.
That's not good.
All right, be careful here. We're getting under the circulation. Careful. All right, stop here. We're okay. Oh, it condensed right there. Right there. All right, scoot up.
Tons. They're ready to condense.
Oh shit, it's right there. Yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good. Well, yeah, it's gonna throw debris. All right, chill right here, chill right here. Wow, did you see that shoot up? This is as far as we can go, end of the road.
Wait to see if
Just